Guys, today what I'm going to do is give you an overview of a company that I've been using for a long time, SignalPeak. Now, SignalPeak.io is incredible, and they actually give you access to things that would cost over $15,000 a year, but you get it for $350 a lifetime. And actually, if you stay to the end of this video, you'll see how you can get it for $100 cheaper than that by using my link. So let's get into it. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. SignalPeak, let's go. All right, guys, here it is, SignalPeak.io. This is your guide to crypto trading success. Now, a quick overview of what this is. This is one platform on Telegram that you can get over 100 crypto groups and 40 Forex groups. Now, you might be thinking, why would I want 100 random groups? These are the premium groups in the world. So embark on a journey unlocking the potential of cryptocurrency trading with SignalPeak, the 100 plus premium Telegram channels offering exclusive access to expert guidance. Very, very cool. Now, you can see some of the biggest channels in the world already on there. Fed Russian, Alex Friedman, Master of Binance, Walsh Wealth Group, Binance Killers, The Bull. So let's see how much it would cost to actually go into these channels themselves. So let's check out one of the crypto signal groups here. This Binance Killers. All right, Binance Killers is absolutely insane. It's probably the most popular of the lot. And you can see here, they've got a deal. Their best deal right now is $600 just for a lifetime package. Okay, $600 is their best deal from down from 2,700. So you're going to pay $600 for this, or you can simply come here and pay $350. You're already saving nearly half the price, and you get the other 99 groups. With this, you pay $600. You get this one group, the number one. That's it. This is why I'm saying it's so important. And it's the same with all of them, guys, all right? Alex Friedman is about $1,000 a year for the lifetime. Master Binance is actually like $3,000 a year, okay? The Bull is about $2,500 a year. So you're paying like $15,000 to get all of this, okay, for a lifetime. Or you can come to SignalPeak and just pay $350. It's a no-brainer. They're real-time signals, guys, all right? Whether it's long or short, spot, alt signals, doesn't matter. They've got every different kind of swing trades in the groups. They've got 92% actually across all groups, 24/7 support, and it is by far the most experienced platform in crypto in the world. How does it work? You simply subscribe in the Telegram. If you watch this playlist, I actually make so many different videos showing you how to do this. Subscribe, receive your signals, and execute trades. Very, very easy, all right? I'm super, super excited about where SignalPeak is going, and so are some of these people making testimonials. So if it's something that you want to get in, you want to save that money, SignalPeak is for you. So make sure to check it out, guys. Hit that link down below. Watch the videos I make about how to sign up, how to use the tutorial, but it's very easy. Hit the link down below, go there and pay your fee. Start the one-day free trial. Use my link down below and you're going to save $100, and let's get SignalPeak. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. I'll see you next time.